So for our next activity, we're going to have to use our imaginations as we go through these different animals and act them out. So I want you to listen and follow along. Ready? So everybody get out your little birds. Can I see your little birds just like this? All right, are we ready? Little birds, go to sleep, go to sleep. Little birds, go to sleep, go to sleep. In the treetops, go to sleep, go to sleep. All right, our next animal is a tiger. Ready? Can I hear your tiger roar? Roar! Good. Ready? Little tiger, roar! Little tiger, roar! Go to sleep, go to sleep. Little tiger, roar! Little tiger, roar! Go to sleep, go to sleep. In the jungle, go to sleep, go to sleep. All right, our next animal is really small. It flies around and it's black and yellow. Can you guess what it is? A bee. Nice, good job. And what sound does a bee make? Bzzz. Good, ready? Little bee, bzzz. Little bee, bzzz. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Little bee, bzzz. Little bee, bzzz. Go to sleep, go to sleep. On the flowers, go to sleep, go to sleep. Nice, everyone. All right, next, let's listen. It lives underwater. What could it be? What lives underwater? A fish. So what? I know a fish face looks so funny, so what does it look like? Gloop, 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 like this. Ready? I know we look a little silly, but let's do it anyways. Ready? Little fish, gloop, 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 gloop. Little fish, gloop, 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 gloop. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Little fish, gloop, 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 gloop. Little fish, gloop, 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 gloop. Go to sleep, go to sleep. In the water, go to sleep, go to sleep. One more time, our little birds. Ready? Little birds, tweet, tweet, tweet. Little birds, tweet, tweet, tweet. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Nice job, everyone. I loved how you listened and followed along to act out all those different animals.